Hi guys, hi everyone. This is me, Valentina, and I'm back. So this video is just to say thank you for everyone who has been waiting for me, because I had to stop my channel for a while because I couldn't make videos. It was impossible for me. I had different reasons for that, and maybe I will tell you, I don't know, because it's quite personal, but anyways, I'm here, I'm back. I cannot promise you that I will be super constant with my videos from now on, because I don't want to say things that I cannot actually do. I can just say that I will try, I will do my best, and that's not always easy for me to do for many reasons, and they are all very good reasons, but they're quite personal, so maybe in the future I will tell you something more. Anyways, I just wanted to say I'm back and I'm here, and I will be posting more videos from now on, and I hope that I can come back completely, because I really loved this channel and I made it on my own, and I don't want to get too emotional here, so anyways, thanks for everyone who's been waiting for me. Thank you for all my new subscribers. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye. Ciao. So guys, I'm back with this back to school DIY, and I'll be personalizing this school diary. This is an Italian brand named BU. I started drawing a circle with a pencil, and then I used acrylic paint and a sponge to just create a nice and blended smooth effect for my galaxy. Then I also used the brush to increase the intensity of the colors. And then I dabbed some black here and there. And finally, with a Posca marker, I made the stars and my motivational phrase with this brush lettering style. And voila! That's it! So easy and beautiful. So if you liked this, leave me a thumbs up and a comment down here, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye!